Hey, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. You've taken the first step, and that already shows something big. You are ready to go. You're ready to learn something new, and you're open to the power of social media. That's a great place to start, man. Okay, let's be honest. Social media is everywhere. It's how we talk to people. It's like how we learn what's happening, and more. It's how we do business, man. Just your phone and a few clicks, that you can share your ideas, launch a product, or reach thousands, even millions of people. That's powerful. So yeah, every day we see things like birthdays, game scores, live updates, and trends, all happening in real time. And you know what? Social media isn't just for scrolling or entertainment anymore. It's one of the strongest marketing tools out there, and it's available to everyone, including you. Including you, I'm talking to you, man. Yeah. This program is going to show you. I'm going to teach you something. I'm going to start a program to you, and this program is going to show you how to use it how to use it with purpose, to grow your business, build your name, build your business. I mean, like you know, and truly connect with people who care about what you do. Yeah, when you get to social media marketing, right? It can launch your ideas into the world, bring in real income, help you give better customer support, and most importantly, help you build a community that trusts you and sticks with you. Yeah. So, what's the key? What's the key? That's like the question. It's not just about showing up every day and posting random stuff. It's about being real. It's about telling your story in a way that matters. It's about giving people something they care about too. Yeah. So that's why this is both an art and science. Whether you are building your personal brand, helping a small business to grow, or dreaming of working with a big company one day, maybe, yeah, this program is for you. And here's the best part. The best part, you don't need experience. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need to be famous. You just need a desire to learn, to courage to tell your story, and a platform like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to start practicing, man. So yeah, here's what you will learn in this program. I'm gonna just tell you the whole list now here. We will talk about, and you will learn how each platform works and what makes them special, how to create content that really connects, how to talk with your audience and grow your following, how to run simple ads to reach even more people, and how to measure success and keep improving. We're not just going to talk about it. You'll actually do it with hands-on projects. You will build real skills, gain confidence, and walk away with something you can show off, even if you're starting from zero. So. If you are ready to learn how social media marketing really works, build skills that matter, and use your voice to share something meaningful, then you are in the right place. let's begin, man. Let's grow. Let's make something great together.